I am checking out new SRT system. That's the anchor point with my connecting carabiners and all. No rope on rope, no rope on direct carabiner. Trying to attempt misloading or side loading. Goes up to that crouch and back from a cambium saver to this almost 2 years old zigzag. Pretty good. Yep. Basic setup. Yeah, leg sender, knee sender, and getting ready to test and load and go up. Let's see how far I can get today. I suppose this should be it. Just one crouch up. This is my new tying point, so I'll traverse down from here, because apparently, yeah, that's it there. Went up right up there, came back through here, thanks to this fella. Did some cleanup. Some unfortunate ones, they can say, I can say. Hopefully it's not too major, but yeah, what are they? Here's why you don't truly rely on each of your gear. You test them, see their limit. Now I'm replacing it with that carabiner, some 27 kilonewton, 23, about 2.3 tons I suppose. Yeah, Petzl and sucker. There's that fella there. Let's see if they do that trick next time, eh?